Hi all. Today is Monday. I was trying to do one yesterday, but a video that is, and it was just too slow. So I decided that if I'm going to do one for Sunday, from what I understand, most all of you are on online on Sundays, so Sunday afternoons. So I'm going to have to do it on Friday and then upload it Saturday night, I guess, for Sunday morning. That's fine, just a different schedule, that's all. So Saturday we got some pretty good rain. Not enough to get rid of the fire restrictions, but it caused some mud and all around in the campsite. Had some standing water. It's gone now, of course. But yep, here comes the wind. So we got some standing water, and got some thunder. Lightning and thunder. Wasn't too close, probably. How you figure that out is, you count seconds. See the lightning, count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and 3, and you kind of got an idea just how far away it was. So, at miles, that is. So I don't know. The closest it got was probably 5 miles or so, but I could still hear it. It was rumbling off in the distance. I didn't get any of those loud cracks, that I like so much. Means it's pretty close when it does that, that crack boom thing, So what else is going on? The last 2 nights has been kind of chilly. I've actually had to have some heat in the mornings when I got up, and it was in the low 50s. I've said this 1,000 times before, no desert rat like me, in the low 50s, it's like wintertime. So, had to go get propane and gas for the generator this morning. I was going to take the camera with me and I forgot it, so, yeah, what can I say? Gasoline is $5.49. I've been watching oil prices, and they've been going down, but the little gas station up here keeps going up. I don't know. Pay the price. Either that or drive the 60 miles to Payson, down and back, 60 miles down there and back, to get 50 cents less. That don't make any sense. So just go ahead and pay the price. But starting on Wednesday is supposed to be a pretty good chance of rain all the way through Saturday. So they're not predicting, accumulations. They're just saying scattered thunder showers, rain, and possible rain, and they're just kind of skating all around it. So if we can get some good rain for a week or two, they might relax the restrictions. We're in stage 2 right now, so if we go to stage 1, I still can't have a campfire, but at least I can, smoke outside and bring my propane stove and stuff outside, cook outside. Which you can't do right now. You can't have any open flames, period. Not even the propane fireplace thingies, no open flames. Across the road over there, 3 nights in a row, they had a huge fire. Well, I can't say huge. It was a big fire. My standards is just a little fire for cooking. They had like a bonfire going over there 3 nights in a row. Down there, and then there's another camper and a Class C down the road the other way. They had one, and so I'm a little bit irritated at the guy down that way. He he stopped by this morning, and we got to talking about it. And you know, I said, I'm not going to call anybody. Just keep an eye on it, you know. Make sure it's out when they leave, and you know, and all that stuff. Make sure it doesn't get out of control. I'd run over there with a fire extinguisher or water or something, you know. But he called the Leo, law enforcement officer. Yeah, thanks a lot. So now, you know, what happens now is, you know, he's raised awareness of us here. So now he's going to probably start coming through on a regular basis to check. So some people don't think about nothing. They just, you know, they just want revenge. I can't have a fire, so you can't either. So, okay. Trying to keep it positive and not rant. But that's rantable, I think. People are kind of leaving, not because of the forest ranger, but because of the rain. It's supposed to be, you know, like I said, it's going to be raining for a week or more. Rainy for a week or more. So, hey, bird. Oh, these birds around here, I'm not sure what they are. They're not afraid of nothing. You know, people in here all the time, I guess. So, you know, they come right up next to you. Stand there and look at you, defy you to, you know, scare them off or something. Feed me, feed me. Nah, I'm not going to feed them. So, and then the chipmunks. Oh, it was so funny. There was one of those birds the other day. It was chasing a chipmunk around. This chipmunk was bigger than the bird, but the bird sure had him intimidated. He ran off down the road as fast as he'd go. But it always happens when I don't have the camera out and I'm not ready, you know. So what did you all think about the deer, the muleys right next to the camp over there? That's another thing too. Weren't afraid of me at all. I come out of the tent, you know. I looked over there, and there they were. They were just standing around and chomping on whatever they were eating. And a couple of them looked up at me, you know, and kind of stared at me a minute. And they decided I wasn't a threat, so they just went on about their business, you know. And like I always say, if you just be quiet and sit still and, you know, don't make a lot of noise and don't just be quiet. That's the thing. Sit in your chair and relax, and they'll come around. Birds, chipmunks, squirrels, and even deer will come around to kind of, you know, see what's going on. They get curious like us. So one of the guys down the road there, just a little ways, his name's Terry, not Jerry. The guy that you know did a hermit thing. Like I said, he's a really nice guy, and he's very smart. He's a very smart man. He's waiting for the weather to cool down in Quartzsite. Says he goes there every year. Pays $180 and stays there for 7 months. So that's probably just exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm hoping I don't have to move around too much before September. So excuse me. I'm going to try to hold off going down there until the last week in September, or first week in October or so. It's still pretty hot in September there in the desert, so I tried to use the air conditioner when I was there in March, and well, the generator can handle it, but it's really struggles hard. So I said that's probably not a good idea to be using that because, well, for instance, it's going to be rainy and very cloudy, so I'm going to be depending on that generator for my power. So, well, I can't think of anything else to say. It's kind of a short update, so I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye.